Hello everyone. In this video we are looking at question number 10 from 2020 HSC Standard Maths exam. In this question you are told that a plumber is charging $90 cutout fee, and so this is a flat fee, and on top of that he is charging $2 per minute. Then you're told that the plumber works say for T hours. T can be any number, but note this is hours and this charge is per minute. Be careful about this. Then what you're told is which equation expresses the amount the plumber charges. We represent that by C, $C, as a function of T hours. So C would be equal to 90. 90 is the flat number he would charge irrespective of how many hours he works, plus T. T would be the number of hours, and that needs to be multiplied by, because it's $2 per minute and T is in hours, so 2 is per minute and in an hour there are 60 minutes, so it would be 90 plus 120 T. C is equal to 90 plus 120 T. So your answer would be D.